Guys, you totally need to see this. Hello my fam, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a reveal video and I'm going to be showing the new season pieces that I've picked up. For those of you that have just come from my come shopping with me at Saint Laurent, you would have seen all the amazing eye candy, and I did pick up something from there as well as a couple of Hermes items and something you may not be expecting, but something I did show in the vlog as well. So if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Mel. If you love all things luxe, I think you're going to enjoy this channel. I would love to have you back. And if you want to join my family, all you need to do is hit that red subscribe button. And don't forget to click that bell so you are notified each time I upload. So all these items are new season pieces, and let's get started with this one. So you would have seen me walking out of the Saint Laurent store in Chadstone holding this little bag, and I think a lot of you thought I bought something else, but just let me show you what I got. There were so many amazing items in there that I wanted. Look, Miss S's book is still in there. Okay, so what I picked up is actually something for hubby, and I showed it briefly in the vlog, and it is in this pouch here. And this is the receipt, but let me just show you this first. Okay, so I picked up for him these classic YSL sunnies. Now these just hit stores when I was in there, and what I love about this is that it is so classic. It's just got Saint Laurent written along the arm of the sunglasses, and really, even though it's in the men's section, and it is a unisex piece. Now hubby likes his sunglasses very plain. He's so picky actually with sunglasses. So when he saw these and he liked them, I'm like, have to pick them up. So for the price of these, they are really well priced. They were 300 Australian dollars. But now for all YSL products, you can actually save 10%. Do you remember a few months ago, I got a Farfetch code for you, and it was supposed to last 3 days, but it only ended up lasting, I think, not even 2. So in this video, I've actually partnered up with Farfetch again, because since that video, I have had so many requests from you guys saying, Mel, can you get another Farfetch code? Can you get another Farfetch code? So since then till now, I have been working on it, and I'm really pleased to say that I do have a code from Farfetch. And best of all, it applies on all new season items. So everything, they've got actually things labeled new season, and a lot of the time it's not included in some of their offers, or, you know, Saint Laurent or Balenciaga and brands like that are excluded when they do have special, you know, offers. But if you input my code, which is MMFF10, you get 10% off all YSL product, you know, Balenciaga, Givenchy, Chloe, you know, all brands that we love and know. So yeah, I actually overpaid for this because I didn't know I was going to be doing this collaboration. And when they reached out, I'm like, yes, 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 finally, I want to get a code for my followers, which leads me to the next product. And I'm actually glad because I was this close to buying it at the YSL boutique. But you know my rule, I always like to, you know, think about a bag for a week or two just to make sure that I want it. So yes, the next thing that I picked up is from Farfetch. So it comes in this box here, and yes, it is from YSL. I did get asked from you guys about Farfetch and how they work. So basically what Farfetch does is they curate this amazing range, but where they get all their products from, they actually partner up with 900 boutiques all around the world. So like from UK to Asia to different boutiques in Europe, and that's why they've got the widest offering I've found in the marketplace. And that is why I have shopped with them for so many years, because they've just got so much variety. So anyway, I did pick up a bag from Saint Laurent, and you guys know I am always transparent with you. They did give me a voucher, of which I used it completely on this bag. So let me show you what I got. And you know, I think, as I said, you guys know me too well because this was featured in the vlog, and let me just show you what I got. And a couple of you even guessed the color correctly. So it comes in this dust bag. This isn't a true unboxing. I have opened it up just to double check it. And yes, It is the mini Lou bag, and this is in the color, it's probably coming out a bit washed out, like very white, but it's actually like a soft white, or like even a vintage white. And this bag here, as I showed on the vlog, it comes in so many different colors. But on Farfetch, I found they've actually got the most colors offered out of all the online retailers. So for example, I saw red, I saw malachite. You guys know I'm such a green lover. I almost picked malachite. You know, black, of course, black and gold is so classic. Beige, but this is the, you know, off-white color with the gold hardware. And this bag here, it looks like it's so tiny, but guys, it's not that small. I'll show you just quickly what you can put inside, but let me just take this off because I'm definitely keeping this bag. Okay, so that is what the bag looks like from the front. I love the YSL logo. At the back, it's got a little pocket here. So the design is the chevron design, and the chain feels really nice. It has a really good weight to it. The shoulder strap, it's got this, which makes it very comfortable. And I love this tassel detail, which you use to open the bag up. If you open the bag completely up, let me just take all this out. So it does come, you know, with the authenticity card. Open it up. So what I love about this bag, it is fully leather lined. I think for this price point, which in Australia is 1,420 Australian dollars, so just under, I think it's 995 USD for all my US followers, it is such a good price point for a fully leather bag. And as you can see, when I'm opening it up, look how great the opening is. Like it's not restrictive at all. And all Saint Laurent bags are made in Italy. So it's got a few credit card slots here if you wanted to, you know, put your credit cards there and not fit a mini wallet. But let me show you just quickly. I've just got a few things here because I wanted to show you. Even on that vlog, I got asked, Mel, can you just quickly show what fits inside? But the most important thing is that it fits my iPhone, and I've got the bigger sized iPhone. So as you can see, it just slips in, plenty of room. And then I just want to show you, everyone that follows me knows I am a huge lover of this mini pochette because I use it as to store everything. It's sort of like some makeup, bits and pieces. And yes, that can actually fit in there. Though I wouldn't need to carry it in there, it actually does fit, as you can see. So I've got that in there. I've got my phone, and let's say I've got this card holder. Oh, by the way, let me talk about this in a second. This is my sister's that I've borrowed, but that slots in there if you wanted to carry your card holder. I've got some mints. See, look, it actually fits quite a bit. You could even put a couple of lipsticks. How good is that? It actually fits quite a lot in there. I mean, if you were to take that mini pochette out, you can fit, you know, tissues, hand sanitizer, I don't know, sunglasses in a soft case. That is not a problem. So it looks little, but it really packs a lot. And I think in terms of the chain length, it's really good. As you can see me wearing it, it looks really nice on the shoulder. It's fabulous, you know, crossbody. And if you wanted to, you could tuck the strap in and use it as a clutch, though I probably wouldn't use it that way. But it's just great as, you know, a shoulder or crossbody bag. Now, what I love about YSL, especially this, I mean, it's not called caviar leather, but it's very similar to the Chanel caviar leather. It's just a grained leather, is that it is so durable. You can tell even just by doing this lightly, it's going to hold up really well. But of course, I will give a proper review, you know, once I've used it a bit more. As I said, with this bag here, in Australian stores, retails for 1,420. So if you use my Farfetch code, you can save, you know, $142, which is a lot, which is like half a card holder. Yes, I know, who's like me? If you think about, oh, I can save that much, that's like half a card holder, or I could have bought something else. I think about, oh, I said, oh, I could have got like a really big meal for that. I love my food as well. But anyway, what I was saying before with this card holder is this is actually my sister's, and it is one in, this is sort of like a gunmetal color with the gold. and she only really uses 2 cards. I think she's got, does she have, yeah, she's got some cash in here. But if you have a few cards, this is such a good card holder. Now, you would have seen from my vlog, I must have really liked the neon card holder because I have been thinking about getting that. But like I said, I always like to think about my purchases because I wasn't planning on getting that. So after seeing my sisters and also feeling it at the store, this just feels like it's really well made, really hardy, durable, which is what you want from a card holder because you're going to be going in and out with cards. And yeah, it's going to be the perfect time because I'm going to be using the code myself and picking up a card holder because I'm kind of sold after seeing my sisters. So I'm just thinking, should I get the neon yellow, the neon pink? And I've never seen this before. In Farfetch, they've actually got this neon blue color. What do you guys think? Comment and let me know. What color card holder should I get? I think with card holders, if you're the type of person that you love your black or neutral bags, go fun with card holders or, your mini wallet. It's just like when you open your bag up, you see it straight away. And I just think it is so fun and colorful. And it's just like a little surprise every time you open your bag up. Oh, another thing I want to ask, and you know what? You can be brutally honest because it's good that sometimes I like things that you guys hate. Sometimes you guys like things I might not like. It's all good because they have this code on now. One thing that I did try on the vlog, which I was surprised that I really liked, was the Lou puffer bag. I'll just insert a clip here when I was wearing it. What do you guys think of that bag? I don't know, but there's something I quite like about it. So I saw that, Farfetch has it and they just came out with an all black version, which I really like. So I'm thinking, should I get it in the silver and black or should I get it in the all black? I'm not sure, but that's something else I'm eyeing. So we will see. So now let's move on to what I picked up from Hermes. So first off, in here, this bag here, I'll get the receipt out as well, is I got... So from the bag, you may be able to tell because, yes, ready to wear does come in this paper bag. And it's all lovely wrapped up. And I picked up this t-shirt here. I just love the design. It's sort of like buckles, which is, all from Hermes history as an equestrian brand. And yeah, I really love this particular fit. I actually own a t-shirt in my pink and red t-shirt and it's the same fit. So it's a slimmer type of fit and I've used that so much. So I was on the lookout for newer designs. And this one here, I'm just going to put the name here because I'm going to butcher it, I know. The prints on the t-shirt are from their scarf designs. So I'll put a picture of me wearing it here. I was only going to pick up one, but yes, I ended up picking another one because, yeah, I just love the fit so much. And I think for spring and summer coming up that I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. So in terms of the price is 1,030 Australian dollars. Whew, I know, pretty expensive. But for Hermes, I think in terms of their ready to wear, this would probably be one of the lower priced items. One thing that is on my wish list is I would love to get one of their cardigans because I'm a huge cardigan lover. But yes, that is my first t-shirt. And secondly, yes, as I said before, another ready to wear piece. And this one, I think, yeah, out of all the t-shirts, most of you said that this color looked the best on me. So I was glad to hear that. Is this t-shirt here. And it is this one here. Again, I will put the name here. I remember that they've done this in Twilly designs as well. It came in 2 or 3 colors, but I love the gray and the lime. So that's the front, that's the back. And yeah, I just really like the color combination and I'll be pairing this with denim. I'll be pairing it with like a tulle skirt. I could even wear it to work with like a nice tailored pant and a belt. I think that would look really chic as well. So yeah, it's just a lot. When you have a cotton t-shirt, you can dress it up, you can dress it down. And that's why I'm a huge fan of Hermes t-shirts. So that is it for my new season haul, guys. I am wrapped to pick up a couple of t-shirts The weather is finally starting to warm up in Melbourne, so I can't wait to wear that. And also I'm really rapt to pick up this little cute mini Lou camera bag. I think it is going to be such a carefree, usable and versatile bag. So if you were interested in this bag, I will leave the link down below, and also my code. Don't forget to use that code, because I don't know with Farfetch when I say 3 days, but the last time the offer ended sooner. So if you're after this bag or any YSL bag, or even from Chloe or Balenciaga or Givenchy, do make use of the code now, because it's not often that you get discount on new season items. And even I will be using my own code because I want to purchase a card holder. I'm thinking neon at the moment, but I'm not 100% sure. If you guys love the look of the camera bag, I know one of my really good friends actually owns the Lou bag, which is just the bigger version of this. It also comes in the chevron. I'll just insert a picture here. That has come out in this beautiful burgundy color, but this bag comes in so many colors, and I know this has been like a best-selling style for ages, so just to give you an option. But anyway, you guys go browse the site, have a look for yourself. I'm just happy that I can get the code for you. I do listen out, and whenever I can, and I do collaborate with these companies, don't worry, I am more than happy to ask for you, because yeah, it's always good to get a discount on luxury items. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Big kisses. Have a great day or night, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.